I love to see when I'm in the streets, people run up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it.
Full RPM here, guys. Back with another legendary video. Today, I teamed up with Amotopart to change the fairings on my 2018 BMW S1000RR. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. They actually sent me this really fast. That's one thing I can say. Really fast shipping. Had this thing in less than a week. Let's get this thing open. Whoa. Packing is very good. You know what that is. For the inside of the things. Packing is very good. Oh yes. Wow. Here. Let you probably get the first look at what color I went with. Let you guys see the color. I went with a custom gold, as you can see. They do custom work for free as well. Free custom work.
So here it is, gold, metallic, a lot of gold flakes in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I didn't want a light gold. I didn't want a dark gold either, so I went in between those with a lot of gold flakes inside of it. You get your free custom work. I went with the full RPM on the side. Looks magnificent, man, it's so beautiful. Remember, full RPM, my customization on the side. That's what I went with. And also on the tank, the alien head, the face of the bike. I really like that. You can also get one of these tank covers for extra 50 bucks. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. I see a lot of you guys with those two-tone bikes out there. Gas tank don't match. Get your tank cover, man. Like, come on, guys. It's free customization. I took advantage of it. Went with the gold BMW logos, the full RPM on the side. Look at those flakes in there. Look at it. Now you've seen the body kit. Let's get the old one off and then get the new one on. All right, as you can see, got all the old fairings off, getting ready to put the new ones on. Yeah, this is high quality ABS plastic here. You can feel it. Yeah, it's lightweight. Lightweight means more resilient. Yeah, you can feel it. There you have it, Amotopart for the victory. Let's get this thing outside in some better light, show you how it really looks. Look at that alien head followed up by them gold flakes. Whew, man. Whew, look at this fitment. Precision OEM. Shipment was fast, installation was easy, finished product is gorgeous. Amotopart for the victory. Man, look at this, guys. You guys tell me. You tell me. If you want your bike to look this good or even better, go to amotopart.com, get your free fairing customization, tank covers, and when you're finished, use promo code FULLRPM to get yourself 10% off. Man, look how good this thing looks. Amotopart, you guys did your thing with this one. Gorgeous. I want to say thank you to Amotopart for teaming with me to change the fairings on my 2018 BMW S1000RR. I would like to thank you fans for watching and supporting. Don't forget to check out their social media platforms, Amotopart on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I'm Full RPM. Always remember to work hard and believe in yourself.